Just put alcohol on toilet paper and you're gonna thank me. I stopped spending money. That's right, folks. I'm sure you've never used toilet paper that way. And this tip is very simple. First, take a toilet paper roll and squeeze it like this, so we can remove that tube in the middle. Let me take that off. This cardboard tube. Okay, now just pull it out. After this, we're gonna get a container that fits the toilet paper. But make sure it has a lid, okay? Now take another container. And first, let's add alcohol. I'm using 46%, but you can use whatever you prefer. So go ahead and add about 3 ounces of alcohol. Now let's also add baking soda. We're only gonna need 1 tablespoon for this. So put it in. We're also gonna need vinegar, but it has to be alcohol vinegar, that is, white vinegar. Do not use any other type for this, alright? And let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. But when you add the vinegar, there will be a small reaction, but it's totally fine. That's just because of the baking soda. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now give it a good mix. It's gonna start to foam a little, but it's fine. And now let's finish with half cup of fabric softener. Feel free to use the brand of your choice. So here goes half cup of fabric softener. Now just mix everything very well until smooth. Okay, now for the next step, take the toilet paper inside the container. And then take the mixture that we just made and pour it over the roll. Spreading it well, like so. Spread it all over the toilet paper, making sure it's all wet. Then it's gonna start to absorb all the mixture. After this, now just close it. And wait 15 to 20 minutes so that the paper absorbs all this liquid. Alright, folks? And check this out. After 15 minutes, this is how the paper looks like. And now, what did we just do here, folks? You can use this to sanitize your bathroom, a quick cleaning if you prefer. So, let's go ahead and take a piece. Take as much as you need. And then, you're gonna use it to clean porcelain pieces in the bathroom. You can, for instance, use it to clean the bathroom sink. Now, just wipe all the surface very well. See how it removes all the dirt? It really cleans pretty well. And you can use it especially to clean your toilet. So let's take some more paper. And then go ahead and clean the entire toilet bowl. And this not only cleans but also kills bacteria, especially those responsible for bad odors. And most importantly, it's gonna leave a nice fragrance of your favorite fabric softener. So, this is a really good tip. If you don't have time to wash and clean your bathroom every day, this tip will surely help. It's really amazing. So, that's it. I hope you like it. And if you did, try this at home.